Hello and welcome to Tuesday Seeds. Today we'll be sharing an online tool to more easily help you identify disaster assistance programs that fit your needs. Please stay tuned. With natural disasters becoming more and more frequent, what we'd like to do is introduce an online tool that uses 5 questions to help identify USDA disaster assistance programs that might best fit your needs. All right, so what you want to do is to go to farmers.gov, and when you get to the main page, just type in disaster discovery tool in the search bar. So when you click on that, it should take you to recommended by farmers.gov. Just click on disaster assistance discovery tool, which brings you to this page. And as you can see, step number 1 asks, did you suffer a loss or damage as a result of a natural disaster? We're going to click yes and next. Okay, and then it's going to ask you the year. We're going to say it happened last year, 2024. And we're just going to pick a month. I'm going to just say May, or I know a lot of disasters happen in July. And so I'm going to say July 2024. Hit next. It's going to say which natural disaster impacted you. Let's say it is I'm going to say a hailstorm. Okay. And it also gives you different categories, like if it was a blizzard or high temperatures, or even if it was water, like what we've seen recently, some flooding. You can plug that information in, and then it gives you some other options as well. But I'm going to just hit next. I just plugged in hailstorm and hit next. And then it says, what did the disaster impact? So that's question number 4. I'm going to say some crops that I grow for my livestock. So you can also have sections like animals. Did it disturb your honeybees or fish or livestock? You also have categories such as land and other. But again, I chose at the top here, plants, crops grown for livestock consumption. So one more question. It says, where did the loss or damage occur? And so here you just want to add in your state. And I'm going to plug in Texas, and I'm going to say it was in the county of our farm, which is Brazos, and click on see results. And as you can see here, based on some of the information I inputted, such as hail damage and crop grown in Brazos County, it's telling me some of the different programs that I may be interested in. In this case, non-insurance crop disaster program is the main one. But again, great tool to help assist in finding and really narrowing down some of the possible disaster assistance programs that are available to you based on your personal situation. Now, please be aware, while this is a great tool, the final say on program availability and individual eligibility will be determined by the USDA Servicing Office. So for more information about disaster programs in your area, we do encourage you to contact your local USDA Service Center. Till next time, be the exception.